Hi, I am Sarmedi and I will explain the strategy maps and canvas. Allow me to introduce my working place, Mahakam Block. It is an oil and gas field with 50 years of operation. So like a human, this field is already aging, already mature. And our main challenge is to manage what we call SIBU wells, the shut-in build-up wells. What is SIBU wells? Imagine you have a water tank like this and then connect it to the outlet valve. When the tank level is low, the water flows slowly. So you close the valve and then let the tank refill again. Once the level increases, you can open the valve to get a strong flow of the water. That's exactly how SIBU wells work. The well is closed or shut in to let the pressure build up. Then it can be reopened again when there is enough pressure for the production. So from this cyclic operation, we can see that the SIBU wells is a repetitive operation. We have to monitor the pressure, we have to open the well, we have to close the well, and that's a cyclic operation. And all the main activities is performed manually by operator. The productivity is low because it depends on the operator workload, on the logistic support. And as a consequence, there are more than 200 wells cannot be produced, and it equals to the potential revenue loss of 1.8 trillion rupiah per year. So this indicates a significant untapped production potential. So we need to develop a new strategy maps to improve the performance of the SIBU wells. This is the strategy maps of the SIBU wells. You can see that at the center of this map, there are four main principles, which is link each other. The first, automatic start-stop. It will reduce the operator workload going to the remote well location. So it supports the second principle, which is the limited number of well operator, because the operator no need repetitive visit to monitor the pressure. And the automatic start-stop also linked to the safe operation, the third principle, because we don't need any boat to open or close the well. So there is no concern if there is any bad weather. And then it also linked to the fourth principle, which is the reduced valve intervention, because we reduce the operator workload to going to the remote well location. So the operation will lead to the low-cost operation. So we can see that each of the activities of this cycle is interconnected each other, supporting the main goal to improve the performance of the SIBU wells. Following the strategy maps, we also develop the strategy canvas to see the differentiation with the existing condition. We consider three options. The first one is the existing as the baseline. The second is the add number of operator and C-track. The third one is the automatic open-close SIBU wells. We review from the component eliminate, reduce, raise, and also create. And from this canvas, we can see that the option to add the number of operator and C-track is actually not attractive. It will increase the cost of the transportation, the man hour, the diesel fuel, which is not sustainable for the long operation of the SIBU wells. And then the third option, which is the automatic open or close SIBU well, is the game changer from this strategy canvas. It will eliminate the transportation means, reduce the man's hour, reduce the diesel fuel consumption. It raises the production significantly, and then it creates the autonomous open-close system in the SIBU wells. So it will give a sustained operation of the SIBU wells. So as a summary, by integrating the strategy maps and canvas, we can visualize a clear evolution path for the SIBU wells from the manual to the automated operation. Thank you.